Would you think you might need to have liftoff happen before you finish the tapering?
That's not my expectation. Of course, we can always. We haven't decided to taper yet, and we haven't decided the pace yet. So you know, it's not my expectation that we would have to. We can certainly speed up or slow down the taper if it becomes appropriate, though. Absolutely. In fact, back in 13 when we tapered, we always said we weren't on a preset course. I think this will be a shorter period. The economy is much farther along than it was when we tapered in 2013. So it makes sense to allow the runoff to happen. It's a very gradual taper. It will be when we agree on it, but we certainly have the freedom to either speed it up or slow it down if that becomes appropriate.
But you wouldn't expect rate liftoff to happen until you're finished with that process?
It wouldn't. No, because when you're as long as you're buying assets, you're adding accommodation, and it wouldn't make any sense to, then lift off. I mean, what you would do is you'd speed up the taper. I think if that were the situation you're in. We don't expect to be in that situation, but I do think it would be wiser at that point to go ahead and speed up the taper, just because the two are then working in the same direction.